Hello guys, good morning. May 15 ngayon. Pupunta kami sa isang parang animals farm dito sa Arkansas. Kasama namin yung mga in-laws, tapos ayun, yung mga bata of course. Kasi yung reason kung bakit kami pupunta doon para yung mga bata makapag-enjoy sila, ma-pet yung mga animals, mga ganyan, makakita sila ng mga animals. And there's Sophia.
I just playing a game on Roblox. Is it called Build a Beach House?
Go to the beach house?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, ayan. Ready na kami. Malibang kay Sam. Change ko pa si Sam. Ayun si Sam. Good morning, my love.
Wow!
Good morning! Pasensya, itong camera ito ay parang shaky siya. Boop, boop.
Wow.
Yep, we're gonna go. Ayan, nagpalit ako ng lens kasi yung isa, ano yun eh, yung wide angle lens ko. Tapos kapag masyadong malapit, nagiging shaky. Wala siyang stabilizer na, ano ba tawag dito? Basta, yung parang stabilizer na image. Hindi ako marunong sa mga ganyan. Anyway, ayun, pupunta kami sa isang farm sa kakilala ni ka-churchmate ni Debbie, nung sister-in-law ko. So, ayan. Sinikay nag-CR pa. And I'm gonna get Samantha change and then we're going na. So, may ulit! Li! Ayan. Kagigising lang ni Sam. Nauna na kami. Nag-breakfast na kami. Lahat-lahat na mo. Oh, ito na pala yung bago nilang bedsheets and duvet. Yung bedsheet is strawberry print. Tapos, yung duvet cover is rainbow. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko lang bilhin yung bed sheet, top sheet. Meron siyang fitted sheet pero walang top sheet. Gawa ako ng kids room tour kapag naayos ko na tong kwarto nila, na-decorate ko na, tapos maganda na. Gagawa tayo ng room tour. Come on, baby!
Shoes.
You got the shoes in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ayan. Gusto na namin, si Sam, potty train. Kasi, super lakas niya sa diaper. Pangalawang box niya na to. This, no? 1.5 month. 2 box na, niya na, gagamit. Tatali ko buhok niya. Ayan. Maganda itong lens itong camera. Kaya lang masyado siyang mahaba. Parang as in talaga. Kaloka ang haba niya. Ganun. Gito siya kahaba. Ganyan. Kaya parang ayan. Gusto kong bumili nung G7X na camera. Kasi at least yun walang lens na ganito. Pero yung dati kong G7X nasira after mga 4 years. 4 years, kaya ayoko na uli ng G7X sana. Kaya nagpunta ko ng Canon M100. Pero hindi ko madala kasi mabigat. Mabigat pala siya. Hindi ko siya madala-dala lagi. So, ayan. Yeah.
Yeah, when he was not the plan to get one so big, but he's a good horse.
Wanna pet the horse?
He's a big pair, but he likes to eat. And he can't eat, and so now he has stomach issues.
Horse, yeah, horse.
I love it.
Yeah, he's doing a lot better. That's okay. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. I'm just offering.
Let's see if Sam will pet.
Safe to do what? Oh, okay.
You probably want to be in the front part rather than the back part, but
He might kick you in the back.
are they allergic to rabbits? Oh. That's her pet, but we're still working with her. She came from a farm that wasn't messed with as our just slow and touch very careful and all that.
Ooh, good job. She enjoys being with Grandpa. How many horses? 3? Yeah. What's in here? This is where the chickens are at. Free-range chicken.
Yeah. Free range.
Yeah.
Stand over here.
Over here. What's in here? Oh, goats?
She is just a few
Oh.
days old.
Remember Sophie?
She is super soft. Her name is Hope.
Hi, how are you? Baby. Baby.
That's your baby. She's still nursing on Mama. Yeah. Little
Oh.
beanie bottle feeding today.
Yeah.
I've been
Hey.
trying to get her on the bottle, but she's not. She's getting her milk straight from Mama right now. Another
She's like,
time.
I'm a nervous mommy.
There's a mama.
Oh.
The plan was to bottle feed all of the milk to Mom.
Mama.
But since I broke that ankle, it's just hasn't moved as well as I would like. That's her Mama. Size range, but she's perfect. Okay.
Sure.
Oh. Touch it again? No? Okay. Oh.
There's the mommy goat.
Oh, good job. Uh-oh. Hi guys! So, anong oras na ba ngayon? 1:52. Dito kami sa Harrison ngayon. Pumunta lang kami ng McDonald's. Doon kami nag-lunch after doon sa farm ng kaibigan ng sister-in-law ko. Ayun. Natuwa na may mga bata doon. Nag-enjoy sila. Tapos ngayon dito kami sa TCBY treats. Frozen yogurt, pies, and cakes. Ayun. Dessert. Tapos after dito punta kami ng Walmart. Namumula yung chin ko. Yeah, magtitingin-tingin lang kami. Umuulan. Ayan. Magtitingin-tingin. Bibili kami ng ng konting grocery, kaya ng almond milk, eggs, siguro ano pa ba? Mga prutas, bananas, apples, oranges, kasi yun yung kailangan ng mga namin pamilya until tomorrow. Order ako ng grocery tomorrow. Kaya ayun, today ang aming family day to go out. Tapos, ayan, umulan. Nakadaan pala kami ng playground as well. Dumaan kami ng playground. Ayan, inabang ko sini kasi umulan. Bibigay ko sa kanya yung isang umbrella. Mababasa siya eh. So, ayun. And dumaan ako dun sa thrift store na matagal ko na gustong daanan. Auxiliary thrift store. And you never know what you're gonna find. I found some anthropology top. Ganun doon. Not made well. I found a with the free. Like $3 lang. So, okay na. Kahit mabenta ko lang sila mga $10-15. Okay na. So, ayan. Hindi na ako nag-aasam na malalaking and magagandang brands from this area. Kasi nga, nito na tayo sa bukid. Ayan. Here's Sophia. Hi, Sophie.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm trying to get you.
Alright. And there's Sam, Poo-Poo. And ito yung, dito kami sa TCBY. Medyo umulan eh. Malabo. And meron silang frozen yogurts dyan. And first time actually namin dito. So, tingnan natin kung masarap ba. And, oops. Ayan. Yum. So, what did you get? What's this one?
This is chocolate brownie.
Chocolate brownie. What did you get for the kids?
It's like a rainbow
Wow.
with sprinkles on top.
Frozen yogurt, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Frozen yogurt, so they're healthier than ice cream.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. Yummy?
That's good.
Yeah.
Finally, right? I'm gonna eat
Is
something.
it?
It doesn't taste like yogurt. You're right. It's yummy.
To me.
Tastes like ice
The
cream.
whole place is a yogurt place,
Yeah.
so
Yep.
we got pies and cakes though,
Mm-hmm.
which aren't made out of yogurt.
Half of the cherry. I already ate half.
Oh.
Yeah. So good.
I knew that Sam would be upset if I didn't get her a cherry.
Mm.
Sister did. Get one.
Oh, this is good.
It's very good. How's yours, Sophia? You like it? How about you, Sammy? You good?
No guilt eating it because it's yogurt.
That's right, low in fat. There's probiotics in it.
So I guess we're the one who's just gonna go to Walmart. Just to pick some fruits. Orange, bananas, grapes, apple. Should I make a list? Should I list it down? I should, huh?
Yeah. But also it just started raining even harder all of a sudden.
And that's why I don't think we can all go out.
Yeah.
But we need almond milk, right? Yeah.
You can always use water, I guess, for oatmeal. But
Oh, okay. And then just go pick up tomorrow.